Principal, I have 3 students here who are in trouble.
Alright, I'll just go through them one by one. Why are you here?
I threw my desk out the window during a test.
That's fine, we'll just buy a new desk, you're good.
Alright, cool.
Moving on, why are you here?
I pulled the fire alarm during class as a prank.
You actually got me out of a really boring meeting when you did that, so you're good.
Alright, thanks, G.
Alright, and why are you here? Oh, I was caught eating food during class.
You were caught eating what during class?
Food? What else would I be?
Detention! For eating? Are you kidding? Yes! You should only eat during lunch when we feed you. You want me to eat that? The food you serve us is inedible. Oh, please, you can eat it.
No, we can't.
It's not like we're giving you prison food.
You know, I read prison food is actually better, so...
So you're saying this school is a prison now, huh? The way you're running it? Yes. You know what? You just got another detention. Hey, you can't. And that's 3. Dude, stop. 4. Keep it up. I'm just gonna keep adding detentions, alright? Detention. But why? Because I don't like your face. Huh?